When I can't start, you just have to start. It does seem to be a recurring theme always. Doesn't matter what you do. And it pushes you. I think that's just the way it is, probably. It took me to get to that point there, to turn the video on and do this. That was probably a good hour. Normally it doesn't take that long. And it's fine when you start, because your mind just takes over and gets it sorted. The starting is always the hard bit. Well, it might be, the middle bit might be quite hard as well. I suppose the ending too. When to stop. What I say about these trowels is that you can use that side, and then without cleaning it you can use that side. And if you're really careful you could probably use that bit. Well, yeah, we'll try it. No, because I can't do that, which is what I want to do. Because making little marks that you weren't expecting to do, serendipity is fine and it's good. Sometimes you want to have the control of what you're doing. I quite like that. I quite like the angles of they're doing, the angularity of it. Another point is this piece here. There's a great temptation to just fill it in again because you want to fill it in, but I'm not going to, because it would ruin what you've had or what I've had there. Done that a lot. Then you have to reevaluate what you've done. But if it gets taken over with something else I put over it, it's fine. But for the minute, if I'd done that already, that would have think, oh, I haven't quite. But that's looking good. Like that. And or do I want to do that? No. Always give yourself the chance to say no. So I'll transfer that to a different trowel. I don't want to do that. Seemed like a good idea using that trowel, but it's not going to happen. 3 minutes 15 dropped a trowel. Use a big one here. I want to do this. Keep the angularity on. Quite. Do I want that? Good. Now just to lighten that up, use the other trowel, clean that off. Put a highlight through it. Yeah. See, that could have been completely flat, which would have worked, but the streaks in it will give it something else. And it's 419, so I better get a shifty. Is it white or is it? I think that's. Call this buff titanium. However, I still want to keep the angular theme, so I'll transfer that again. That's just a reflex of using that trowel so many times. Don't want to do that.